One use of Pythagorean theorem is finding altitudes. You know that when you draw an altitude is always perpendicular to a side. So as soon as you draw an altitude, you create a right triangle. So here's one example. We have an isosceles triangle. We know that the legs have length 26. I'm going to draw an altitude. You know it's perpendicular. If we have an isosceles triangle, one thing we know is that it's going to bisect the opposite side, and we can prove this that these two triangles, so triangle ABC and triangle DBC, are in fact congruent by HL theorem. And so these two pieces must be congruent, so I know that each piece of the base is broken into 10 and 10. And then if I'm looking for the altitude, well, one thing I'm going to notice is that 10 happens to be 2 times 5, and 26 happens to be 2 times 13. So I'm not even going to bother with the Pythagorean theorem. I know I have a triplet, 5, 12, 13. So what I know is that x is going to be 24.